So now we're able to mark classes as test fixtures, and we're able to mark individual methods as tests. We can now execute production code in our test methods and get some result. But we need some way of telling the test runner whether the test has passed or failed. To do this, we use asserts. And essentially, asserts tell the test runner whether our test has passed or failed. We'll be looking at asserts in more detail in the next module, but let's have a quick look at an example. So here we have a test, should add two numbers, and I've just omitted the surrounding test class just for brevity. And suppose we're testing the static add method of a calculator here. So we're going to call the calculator's static add method, and here we're passing the values 1 and 2. And here we're using the NUnit assert class to tell the test runner if the test has passed or failed. So here we're asserting that, when we add the values 1 and 2, the expected value is equal to 3. So the first part of this assert is the actual result from running our production code. So here the production code's add method will be called with the values 1 and 2, and we'll get some result from this. The second parameter to this assert that method is our expected value. So this is how we expect our production code to behave. We expect that when we add 1 and 2, we get a value that is equal to 3. There's an older style of NUnit asserts which we won't be using in this course, but I just wanted to mention it here in case you see it in the documentation.